at Jack. Oh,
I'm so excited.
look at Jack.
Oh my God!
Oh, you gotta
Look at the whitey.
hug Jackie.
What am I, chopped liver? Get over here. How are you?
He's almost bigger
Yeah,
than
he's almost the same size.
You okay? Hi, Kylan.
Oh, Jack. Look at Jack.
Steps on his head.
Good to see you.
No, it's funny. They're driving up, hanging out.
Dude, what's up?
My God, he is almost as big as Kathy.
Patriots jersey, too? No. Yeah?
Oh, Kai is. Kai's huge.
I thought that she was probably the same height as Charlie. Shows you what I'm thinking.
Oh, Jack's fast.
Jack is speedy, yeah.
Oh, Jack's fast.
Oh! You psych?
Who's here? Hi, Kai. You saw how fast you are? You're fast track.
for you guys.
What'd he say?
Hello.
Me too.
Oh, Kai, you're getting too big. What happened to my little girl? What happened to her? Oh, I'm so happy to see you. Reese, where'd all the hair go?
She's shooting up, Billy. I can't believe Kai's just shooting up for her. What is it?
Reese, I like your haircut. Thank you. It looks good.
Charlie, that was
I hope he
nice.
does.
Very nice, Charlie.
What'd you get, Kai?
Is it candy or what is it, Charlie?
What'd you get, Reese? That you eat?
Yeah, they're like fruit roll-ups.
What are they, Jack?
Stickers.
Stickers?
Yeah. Stick 'em.
You brought him a
They're like
really yummy
fruit
snack.
roll-ups.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's the video. I thought that was your phone.
That's our present, Mommy. Stickers.
Nice.